Henock Kankoshi. Henock Tangeni Kankoshi, born 19 September 1965, is a Namibian politician and was the governor of Oshikoto Region, having succeeded Penda Ya Ndakolo. 2015 his term ended April 2020 and was replaced by Penda Ya Ndakolo again. Kankoshi was born in Onyaanya Constituency and went to school in Ondangwa. He attended Ongwediva College of Education between 1984–1985 and became a teacher. In 2004, Kankoshi was elected to be the Regional Councillor for the Onyaanya Constituency. He was also selected to represent the region in the National Council. Kankoshi has been active in SWAPO since before independence. He served as the party's regional coordinator in the Oshikoto Region from 2002 to 2004 and on the party's Central Committee. Kankoshi also wrote a novel, Ampundja ya Kula Nahe Ambambi ya Putuka Nayina, which was published locally. References